Imagine you're sitting inside a fighter jet. The engines are roaring. The ocean stretches endlessly in every direction. And in front of you, there's only a tiny strip of runway. Just a moving ship in the middle of the ocean. Yet somehow, within seconds, this 20-ton aircraft will be flying through the sky at over 150 miles per hour. How is that even possible? An aircraft carrier is one of the largest and most complex machines ever built. These floating cities can carry thousands of crew members, dozens of fighter jets, helicopters, weapons, fuel, and supplies. Some are over 1,000 feet long. That's nearly the length of 3 football fields. But despite their massive size, there's one major problem. Fighter jets normally need thousands of feet of runway to take off safely. An aircraft carrier simply doesn't have that kind of space. So engineers had to invent a completely different solution. The secret is a powerful launch system called a catapult. Before takeoff, the fighter jet is attached to a launch mechanism built into the deck. As the pilot prepares for launch, enormous amounts of energy are stored inside the system. Everything must be perfectly synchronized. The engines reach maximum power. The pilot gives the signal. And then, the catapult releases all that stored energy at once. The jet is suddenly pulled forward with incredible force. In just a few seconds, it accelerates from 0 to takeoff speed. Faster than most sports cars can reach highway speed. For the pilot, the experience is intense. The acceleration is so powerful that it feels like being launched from a giant slingshot. The body is pushed hard against the seat. The carrier deck disappears beneath the aircraft almost instantly. One moment, you're on a ship. The next, you're flying hundreds of feet above the ocean. Every launch demands absolute precision. Even the smallest mistake could put both the aircraft and crew at risk. That's why pilots spend years training before they ever attempt a real carrier launch. As impressive as takeoff is, landing is even more challenging. Imagine trying to land a high-speed jet on a runway that's constantly moving with the waves. The pilot must approach at exactly the right speed and angle. Under the aircraft is a strong metal hook called a tail hook. As the jet touches down, that hook must catch one of several steel arresting cables stretched across the deck. If it catches successfully, the aircraft goes from high speed to a complete stop in just a few seconds. Miss the cable, and the pilot must immediately take off again and try another landing. Aircraft carriers are far more than giant ships. They're floating airports, mobile military bases, and engineering masterpieces, all in one. They allow fighter jets to operate almost anywhere on Earth without needing a land runway. And every time a jet launches from the deck, it demonstrates one of the most incredible achievements in modern engineering. The next time you see a fighter jet taking off from an aircraft carrier, remember, you're watching science, precision, and technology working together in perfect harmony. Subscribe to SciNova for more amazing engineering and technology explained.